Life Disney and Beyond. Welcome. We're here in downtown Disney. We're at World of Disney.
Yes, we are.
Because we got to do some merch searching.
There's so much new merchandise.
It's insane.
I felt like that was a little bit of a tongue twister. There's so much new merchandise here.
Yeah.
Tons of new ears, clothes,
yes,
thingamabobs. And before we get started, take a quick second and subscribe to Life Disney. This channel is pretty awesome and we want you to be part of the Life Disney fam.
What she said.
So without further ado, let's get in there and go shopping.
You can still get your purple merch.
Usual purple on.
It is, and look, there's even a purple canvas up there dripping purple paint, representing purple.
Hey, this is new.
Hey, that's new.
Hey, this is new.
That's cool.
Over here we got a purple phone case.
Oh yeah,
okay,
ears.
all this purple stuff. Do you remember Grimace?
Of course I remember Grimace.
From McDonald's?
Of course.
It's like you can Disney bound as Grimace.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at these beautiful babies. You know what would have made this perfect? And I know that they're supposed to be small, but I wish it was proportional. Proportionate.
Proportionate.
Did I say proportional? These are really cute. And they are $27.99. That's what all the ears are pretty much nowadays. Remember when everyone was wigging out about the mini backpack?
They're in abundance now. You can get
everything's in abundance. Disney is
Spirit
doing
Jersey,
amazing.
Haunted Mansion, Ghost Toast, Glow in the Dark Life. What is this?
Pirates.
Pirates, okay.
Yeah, look. You can kind of see the print. See red?
Yeah.
Those are cool. It's really soft, too.
Tiki Room. Yeah, I like that shirt. It's metallic.
Yeah.
Classic look.
It's in the rose gold section.
And it's nice material too. How much is that?
$34.99.
Rose gold hats.
Rose gold.
Rose gold in these, much like the purple.
This section is really awesome. This is much cool new stuff. Lost Boy.
Yep,
Peter Pan. I'm So Fly. I Never Land. Disney State of Mind.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a New York state of mind. It's
that
a Disney
$34.99.
state of mind.
I like this. I'm just here for the mouse.
Oh yeah, yeah.
This is a.
Or in Katie's case, she's just here for the mousse, the chocolate mousse. And this hat's kind of cool.
Do you like this combo?
I do. That's kind of cool. It's like MASH.
I'm a park hopper.
I like the distressed military color hat.
And it's a park hopper.
How much is that?
$44.99.
And then these shirts are $39.99 and $34.99.
Hatter's gonna hat instead of like haters gonna hate.
That's good.
And then this one is eat, sleep, yo-ho, repeat.
That's great.
And
I like
right
that.
there it says a pirate's life for me on the pocket.
Yar! I like the Donald Duck section. You can get the sweatshirt and the hat.
I really like these two. These are like, I don't know what you'd call like almost maybe vintage looking. I don't know.
It is, yeah, it has a vintage look for sure.
It's something, but I love these. This is
How
a
much?
Jungle Cruise. These are all $34.99.
I really like this
The
one.
Tiki Room's rad. I'm surprised you don't own both of those.
Well, they're so new. I haven't had chance
Oh,
to.
there you go. Well, you should get them.
And did you get the joke on here?
No, what did it say exactly?
We only accept large bills. I like this too a lot. That's really cool. Isolated tie-dye Mickey. And the Disneyland tie-dye sleeve. That is really cool. How much is that? $39.99. That's a good shirt.
This is your whole rainbow section.
More rainbow stuff. Rainbow ears, tie-dye, tank tops.
Ooh, baby. I
like
love
that.
this
I
shirt.
like that. How much is that? $29.99. That's a more affordable one there. And of course the rainbow pack. Legit.
Right.
How much is the rainbow pack?
Like 55? 90.
$90. Wow. All right, the Delish Snacks clothing line and merch line. Look at this giant Dole Whip. Oh my gosh. And look at the projection. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna.
Oh, yum.
All the appropriate snacks.
Butter on that.
Oh, it's a waffle. Oh, and a bite taken out.
Oh, I was wondering what happened.
There it goes. Oh, yes, Mickey Pizza. Dole Whip. Are they going to drink it down?
Oh, that's a Dole Whip float.
Drinking it down. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Look at the Mickey Cherry. You got phone cases. You got Currently Craving, all that stuff. That's some of the kitchenware.
Oh, look at these actually come
That is very cool.
in a fresh popped box. It's $29.99 for that shirt.
And it goes in there.
Isn't that cute? Okay, now the mini one, that one comes in this donut little box.
It's like a Krispy Kreme box.
It's also $29.99.
There's the shirt right there.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah. I love Disneyland with the donut ears. And Disney Parks food and toy fashion.
I might get that for Kaylee, my niece. That's really cute. Churro eating contest world champion.
I like that.
That's me.
Kind of a long sleeve. What do they want for that? That is $44.99. And of course your plush Dole Whips. Mickey
I love
pillows.
this one. I want this on my bed. This would go great in my corner.
That's true.
Oh, it smells good too. Oh, it smells like raspberry.
And they still haven't gotten the notes. Guys, it's Life Disney. Life Disney. It's okay. Maybe they'll on the next run.
Did you smell this one?
I can smell it from here.
Can you really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at these hats with the icons. I like that.
that's awesome. How
And
much
look,
is
it's.
this hat?
Do you realize what it is?
No. Oh, Mickey.
It's Mickey, Goofy, and Donald in the form of treats.
$21.99.
Okay.
And then this shirt,
Icons, dad
with
shirt.
a more sophisticated look. We've seen a lot of that. Oh, hey, you need these. Socks, socks, socks.
Nice Dole Whip socks.
Wait
yeah.
for summer when you see your socks all the time.
And look
now.
at, I like this embroidered embellishment.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. $14.99 for those, and they're
All right.
really soft.
Powered by churros and pixie dust. Churros and ice cream.
My favorite part of the Delish line, these all smell.
Smelly plush.
Oh, they smell so good. Like, this is why you want this on your bed, because you can spoon with this at night and just smell the sweet deliciousness. Bye, Felicia. So these shirts come in a pizza box.
I love how it's a heart-shaped pizza, and then look, the box is amazing. I would save that, to be honest with you. That is
Oh,
a
I
cool.
feel like if you get this, you would definitely keep the box.
I want to serve all my pizza in those.
It's $34.99, so this one's a little more expensive, but I think it's because these aren't kids' shirts, these are adult shirts.
Got you. And then over here, there's the square box because it's a
Yes.
different shirt.
Yeah, different shirt, and then that's a cute box too.
I love it.
What a good line.
And the
to
color,
have.
that blue is so great. 'cause
It is a beautiful.
It's like a
beautiful-
slate blue.
Yes, I have this shirt. It's actually a kid's shirt, or at least it was. But I have this shirt.
And the pizza socks are too much.
You need these too.
That is just perfect.
Pizza socks. What does this say? Oh my gosh! I need
Insert
this.
snacks here.
I need this
The
one
arrow
too.
pointing to your mouth.
These are magnets, I think.
They puffy magnets.
Maybe they're not magnets. Yeah, I think they are. They're just really light.
So you got your Delish sweet and salty couples shirt. That's kind of cool. What's up, Snack Lanyard?
I want this. How much is it?
That is
It's
pretty cool.
Orange.
That is pretty cool.
It costs orange, so that means it's $17. I don't work out. Park hopping is actually the cardio that I do.
I like those graphics. They're really cool.
Nice. You need that shirt too.
Yeah.
I think we've already found 3 shirts.
Like these icons just alone on a shirt would be so
Right?
cool. How much is that shirt?
$24.99. These are all of these are the same price, by the way. We
Okay.
did 2 for $22.
Take the Grand Circle Tour, ride the rails. Because that's one of my favorite logos, Disneyland Railroad logo.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
These are all $22 each when you buy 2, or $24.99. Love that.
Look at all the graphics in this.
Yeah, icons heavy.
That one's so cool.
Blueprints.
Yep, just like that mug. I mean, is this all not the best section of the entire store right here?
I like that with all the different goodbyes in the different languages. That's a great shirt. And all the characters. There's Katie's bag that she got. Awesome shirt. That's great. I conquered as if it's like something scary. I like that.
This is really new.
Yeah, that's new.
Isn't that cute?
What do they want for that?
$34.99.
And $24.99 for the I Conquered
International Squad.
International Squad. It's more of a sweatshirt.
Well,
Really nice material. Pullover. $39.99.
look at the Alex and Ani Small World bracelet. Everyone's surprised I don't have this. I know. But I try not to buy every single thing. But that is so cute, huh?
How much is that?
This is $50. You got the Tsum Tsum.
Wow,
They all can come
that's
out.
really cool that it's
Isn't that
part of one set.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Adorable.
And of course the leggings, which
Yes.
I like. Those are very cool.
And the phone case that cool people have the phone case.
Oh, what?
Yeah, ain't that cool?
Did you pay for that?
I did. They're brand new that just came in a couple days ago.
Very floral ears, yes.
It's kind of like for spring and flower and garden over in Epcot.
Okay.
Not my cup of tea. I don't really care for those, but if you love them, there you go.
To each his own.
Look at this.
Classic.
Vintage.
Just to make you hurt a little bit more.
Yep, just to rub that pain in.
Like,
Really?
we used to have these awesome vehicles that went through the Matterhorn, but we don't have them anymore. She can wear a t-shirt and cry.
And then we also remember, now when you look at this, if you were an OG Disney fan or you're from Walt Disney World, you should sing this when you look at it.
Hey.
It's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just I dream away.
There it goes. I see the dream going away. There it goes.
I literally want everything from this collection. It's like castle is what it is. So we got a new pair of ears.
I like the castle one
Yeah,
there.
they're
That's
the
very
silver
cool.
and then they're kind of goldish, foil gold. I love this pair of ears. I'm probably gonna end up getting this. And I love this new D pin and it has the spires of the castle.
Awesome.
If you look closely enough, that is silver, so that is $9.99. This is pretty cool. I don't really like the fabric looking material, but I think it's a really nice little purse or bag.
How
It's
much?
$49.99. This is me living my best mug life. It says the happiest place on earth inside. And then look, it's nighttime castle.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's only $13.99, so when I get paid, I'm coming here and I'm getting this mug.
All right.
This is the other mug I really want. It's the little Disneyland logo. And it's a really beautiful blue. Happiest place on earth.
HBOE.
And this one's $22.99. We also have the gold bottle. It's like one of those like really hefty
Yeah.
$22 ornaments. Why we have ornaments out right now?
And then we always have ornaments.
That's true. That's cute though, huh? I'd be afraid that would break off.
Those are cool.
How cute they are. They kind of remind me of the 60th a little bit.
Yeah. The hat ears.
Okay, are you ready for the best thing that I want next to all the mugs?
Yeah, I'm so riveted here.
Right?
It's pretty cool.
Isn't that adorable? It's
That is
not
pretty
real.
cool.
$75 before your discount. But look at how cute it is. Oh, if I don't get this, people will hurt.
Wow, that's cool.
I am serious. Are you kidding me right now?
And our homegirl Captain Marvel has arrived with all her gear.
Yeah.
Appropriate Loungefly backpack.
Tumbler.
Tumbler.
Is $19.99.
Here's what the gear looks like, modeled by our favorite mannequins. And the highly anticipated Dumbo movie merch. I'm very excited about this movie. I'm a big Tim Burton fan.
That
I love
is a
this.
really nice shirt.
It's kind of like the old movie poster style.
Right. It's
very
so
retro.
nice. Like the animated.
Yeah, we're loving all the retro.
Look how cute that is. That is so soft.
Oh yeah, and it's that nice texture.
That is darling. How much is this? $27.99. That's not bad for how
Pretty
cute
cool.
this is.
He's the last one.
I know. Oh, baby Dumbo.
How much is the Dumbo shirt? $24.99. I love the Dumbo graphic. Frequent flyer. The one, the only, the fabulous Dumbo! An attraction that you'll never see Katie on.
No, I love this new mug. Isn't that cute? Look at the
I
face.
love it.
Stop. And then the edge is like a uneven scallop looking edge.
Scallop, I love that word. This is a great shirt. What makes you different makes you special, that's right.
And these are little magnets.
That is so cool. It's the ride vehicle.
So over here we got a couple of new pairs of ears.
Ah,
These are the newest edition.
so
They are
sparkly.
so sparkly and pretty. I don't know if they'd look good on me though. Perhaps I'll try them on. I like them. I'll take them. Like I said, the new floral flower ears for spring and flower and garden. These are the new Aladdin ears.
Oh, with the carpet?
Yeah,
That's
isn't that
cool.
cute? The carpet is the bow. These are actually designed nicely.
They are.
And I love the color.
There's the castle. A lot of good castle merch. I was pretty happy with it.
All right, guys, that wraps up the merch search for all of the brand new goodies that are
So
here
much.
in the world of Disney. So we hope you guys found some great stuff that maybe you want to come and buy.
I did.
Remember, you don't have to be an annual pass holder to come into World of Disney and come and shop. You can really make a great day of it. So
Yeah.
if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up so we know you dig the merch searches. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll link all the information in the description box below.
That's right, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.